I am Turbo, and this is Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. Let's roll.
I want to talk about a man named Rocky. Rocky is the reason I started stacking precious metals. He's the one who first handed me a silver round and a gold 1 ounce coin and said, "Hold that for a second. Feel the weight of that. That's real money." He worked 6 days a week, every week, for most of his adult life, not unlike my own father. He stacked thousands of ounces, silver, gold. He was still actively buying, still researching, still adding to his position right up until the end. He passed away at 64 years old. When I heard the news, I kept asking the same question. Was it worth it for him? That question sounds wrong as soon as you say it out loud, but it wouldn't leave me alone. Because Rocky had real wealth, physical, undeniable. The kind of wealth no bank run or market crash can erase. Thousands of ounces. He built something extraordinary. But he never slowed down enough to access what he'd built. 6 days a week until the end. Rocky was also one of the only people I could actually talk to about this. The other person being my father. Most people in my life don't track silver prices. They don't think in ounces. They look at you a little sideways when you start talking about the gold to silver ratio. Rocky didn't. When I had a question, I could call him. He'd be thinking about the same things. He got it. Losing him left a gap I didn't expect, but it also brought something into focus that I want to share with you today. The right question isn't, was it worth it for Rocky? The right question is, what are you stacking for? Because here's what I know about him. Rocky wasn't stacking out of fear. He wasn't chasing hype. He believed that real assets, metal you can hold in your hands, represents a kind of financial freedom that paper can never fully replicate. And he was right about that. He was right about all of it. What he may not have had and what you and I have the opportunity to build right now is the second half of the strategy, the bridge, the withdrawal plan, the part where the stack works for you instead of the other way around. That's what this video is about. Before we look into strategy, let's run the current numbers. Context matters here. As of this week, April 17th, 2026, here's where spot prices are sitting. Gold is approximately $48.68 per ounce. Silver is at $82.52 per ounce. And platinum is at $21.37 per ounce. Take a moment with those numbers. If you were buying silver at $20 an ounce 2 or 3 years ago, you've quadrupled your position on spot. If you accumulated gold below 3,000, you're past double. These aren't projections. This is what your stack is worth right now. I hear this question constantly. Does it still make sense to buy at these levels? Is it too late to get in? That's the wrong question. Price alone is noise. What matters is the relationship between prices. The ratios. That's where their signal lives. And right now, the trigger system is giving us one of the clearest aligned readings we've seen. Let's go through all three. The gold to silver ratio. The GSR today is approximately 59. The ratio tells you how many ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. At 59, you need 59 ounces. In our system, 80 or above is where we load up on silver. That's historically cheap silver relative to gold. When the GSR hit 120 during the COVID lows, that was a rare entry point. Our neutral buy reference is 62 to 1. At 59, we've dropped below that marker. Silver has been outperforming gold. The ratio has been compressing. What that means depends on when you entered. If you loaded silver when the GSR was above 80, you've already captured the ratio move. That compression is your gain. Even before you liquidate a single ounce, the system worked exactly as designed. If you're still building a silver position, you're working with a narrower entry window than 2 years ago. That's honest. The math supports it less aggressively than it did when the ratio was historically elevated. The rotate out signal is below 40. We are nowhere near that, but the easy money on the GSR has already been made. The story is shifting, and the third ratio is pointing toward where it's shifting to. The platinum to gold ratio. Here's where it gets very interesting. The platinum to gold ratio today is 0.44. Our buy signal is 0.44. We are sitting exactly on the buy signal this week. Think about what that means historically. Platinum and gold traded at near parity for most of modern history. Platinum often traded above gold. Jewelers preferred it, industry demanded it, and it was considered the rarer and more prestigious metal. Today, you can acquire 1 ounce of platinum for 44 cents on the gold dollar. That is a historical discount by any measure, and the third ratio confirms it from a different angle. The platinum to silver ratio. The PSR today is 25.9. Our strong buy platinum swap threshold is 30. We are below it. Both the platinum to gold and the PSR are triggering simultaneously. Platinum is cheap relative to gold, and platinum is cheap relative to silver at the same time. I want to be precise about what the system says here and what it doesn't. This is not a prediction. The ratios described, they don't forecast. What the math is describing right now is platinum at a historical discount to both of the other metals in the system. When 2 of the 3 ratios align on the same direction, that's meaningful. We'll come back to what that means for your retirement plan in just a moment. Rocky's story brought this into focus for me. A stack without a bridge to the rest of your life is just an accumulation story. And accumulation is only half the work. Here are 3 concrete ways a precious metal stack becomes a genuine retirement strategy. Bridge 1, the liquidity floor. Your stack is not a paycheck, but it is a hard asset liquidity floor, a reserve of real wealth you can convert in layers as you move forward or toward and into retirement. Here's how this works practically. 5 to 7 years before your target retirement date, you start mapping your stack against your projected income needs. You need to identify the portion you're willing to convert first. Typically, the position that's been held long enough and sitting at ratio levels that meet your exit criteria. You don't sell everything at once. You convert in tranches, deliberately, strategically. In a rising metals environment, and we are in one, this approach compounds. You're turning appreciated metal into cash reserves, into income-producing assets, or into a combination of both. The metal gives you the foundation to stand on while you build the next phase of your financial life. 1,000 ounces of silver at today's price is over $82,000. That's not a theory, that's real capital sitting in your stack right now. The retirement math changes completely when your reserve is in metal that's appreciated fourfold versus a savings account that's been eroded by inflation for 2 decades. The difference between retiring at 60 and retiring at 53 might already be in your possession. Bridge 2, the ratio-based swap. This is where the trigger system becomes a direct retirement tool, not just a monitoring exercise. Let me walk you through a concrete example with today's numbers. If you hold 200 ounces of silver right now, your position is worth approximately $16,500. At platinum's current price of $21.37 per ounce, that same $16,500 acquires you approximately 7.7 ounces of platinum. You have not added a single dollar of new capital. You've repositioned within the stack you already own. Now, if platinum closes even 40% of the gap back toward historical parity with gold, those 7.7 ounces of platinum appreciate significantly more than your 200 ounces of silver would over the same time frame. The math did the work. You used the signal. This is leverage without margin, without debt, without a broker, without counterparty risk. You're repositioning based on a ratio the system has been tracking methodically, and you're doing it with metal you already hold. Most stackers accumulate and hold indefinitely. The stacker with a plan monitors the ratios, repositions at trigger points, and compounds the value of the stack over time without adding new money to the equation. That's the difference between a pile of metal and a retirement engine. Bridge 3, the zero counterparty legacy. This one brings Rocky back into the conversation. A physical metal stack has no counterparty. There's no brokerage managing it, no FDIC limit capping it, no institution standing between you and your wealth with terms of service that can change overnight. It passes to your family cleanly. It holds purchasing power across decades. It doesn't care about bank solvency, political cycles, or whether the institution holding your other assets survives the next financial crisis. If your retirement vision includes security for a spouse, for children, for anyone, your stack is already building that right now, whether or not you've formalized a plan. Rocky's stack didn't disappear when he passed. That wealth continues. That's the legacy dimension that no retirement calculator I've ever seen can fully model. But here's the piece I want you to carry away from this. Plan the drawdown, not just the accumulation. The stack only generates real freedom for you in this lifetime if you've thought through when and how you'll convert layers of it into the life you're actually building. Accumulation without a bridge is only half a strategy. So, was it worth it for Rocky? I've sat with that question for a while now, and here's where I've landed. Rocky was right about everything that matters. Real assets, real money, the discipline to keep building even when the market wasn't paying attention, when nobody around him understood why. He was right about all of it. And his stack stands as proof of that. What I carry forward from losing him is the commitment to finish the blueprint, not just to build, but to build the plan that makes what I've built useful to me while I'm still here to use it. Rocky was one of the only people I could talk to about this. Most of us don't have enough people in our lives who understand why this matters. That's part of being in this community. But if you have someone, a mentor, a friend, a family member who actually gets it, tell them what it means to you. Don't wait. So, Dad, I know you're watching. Thank you. It means a lot to me, and I love you. I'm still stacking because Rocky showed me the way in. This channel exists in part because of him, but the mission has to include the bridge. Stack with purpose, and then retire with purpose. If today's video gave you something to think about, drop a comment. Tell me where the ratios are pointing you. Tell me what your bridge looks like. I read every comment on this channel. If you're new here, every Saturday we run the 3-ratio trigger system: gold to silver, platinum to gold, and platinum to silver. We use math, not emotion, to make stacking decisions. If that's the kind of channel you've been looking for, subscribe. We're here every Saturday. Stack with purpose. I'll see you next week.